How's it going, y'all? I'm back with another video, just showing you all how to use the scan tool in the StockCharts.com website. So last time I showed you all how to do the bullish golden cross scan. This time I'm going to show you all a new crossover scan. This one is the MACD signal cross. So this is a technical indicator folks use among others to, see if a stock is primed to trade or invest in. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. From your dashboard, you're going to select new scan, right? And you're going to have the first line is already pre-populated, letting you know that the type is going to be stock and the simple daily moving average is going to be 20 with the daily volume greater than 40,000. Similar to the previous video, we're going to open up a new line and build from that first line. And since we are setting up a bullish MACD signal cross, we're going to be looking for the MACD, which is the black line. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. But you're looking for that MACD line, that black line, to cross at the cross from under to above the MACD signal line, which is the red line. So for this, we're going to type in and. We're going to open up a clause bracket, and we're going to type in the MACD line. And this one is pre-populated. It's a technical indicator StockCharts is familiar with, so there's not really a lot of coding that you need to do manually. So let's go ahead and select that. If you were just looking for the MACD line to cross over 0, this would be just fine, or greater than 0 rather. You could just you run the scan this way, but since we're looking for it to cross the MACD signal line, we're going to actually remove this greater than 0, add a cross symbol, and we're going to add the MACD signal, right? And as you can see, the red X pops up in the line on line number 2 on the left-hand side, and that's because it's not formatted correctly. We have the greater than 0 still there. So let's go ahead and remove that, and we should see it go away if we did everything properly. One way to check this, as you can see, it's likely because I have misspelled this part right here, but if you remove that, you can see it. And another way to just run it so that you can check is by clicking next to run scan. You see check syntax. So if you run that and you did everything right, you'll see that it says your scan syntax is correct. Click run scan to view the results. So we're going to go ahead and click run scan, and it tells you exactly that the criteria that it's looking at is from the last market close, and it gives you 171 results from the 23rd of March, which is today. So we're going to take a look at, let's look at this healthcare one, right? TSE, I believe, or healthcare TSE exchange. So let's look at and.to, right? We pull that up, and this is the MACD. We can see here what I was talking about earlier, where this black line goes from under and it's getting ready to cross above the red line, right? So this is a signal that one of your indicators is letting you know that your this particular stock might be ready to trade or invest in. So you're gonna want to cross-reference this with your other indicators. I'm looking below. I have the TSI, and it's also showing that it's getting ready to cross. Seeing the bars are uptrending, and if I look at some of these other indicators, it might tell me some other information. But this is how you use the MACD signal cross, the bullish MACD signal cross, to kind of help guide your trading or investing practices. So I hope this video was helpful. Definitely let me know what you think. There will be more to come, but yeah, that's all for this one. Peace and love, y'all.